Ever wondered how to make a long plane flight more enjoyable? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the world of long plane flights and sharing some top-notch tips to make your time in the sky as smooth as possible. First up, planning. The cornerstone of a successful long-haul flight lies in preparation. Booking your seat in advance is a great place to start. Opt for a spot with a bit more wiggle room if you can. It's also wise to familiarize yourself with the airline's amenities and policies. Knowledge is power, after all. Next, the art of packing. The trick is to pack light but smart. Bring along layers for changing temperatures, comfortable clothes for lounging, and travel-sized toiletries for freshening up. And let's not forget a trusty neck pillow and blanket for those much-needed naps. Now, on to nutrition. The importance of staying well-fed and hydrated cannot be overstated. Airplane food can often be a gamble, so be sure to pack some healthy snacks. And remember, an empty water bottle is your best friend. Fill it up after security and stay hydrated throughout the flight. It's a simple way to combat fatigue and jet lag. And what about entertainment? Load up your devices with your favorite movies, music, podcasts, or ebooks. Having your own entertainment options at your fingertips ensures you're never left twiddling your thumbs. Keeping active is also key. Get up, stretch, and take short walks around the cabin. Even a few simple in-seat exercises can help prevent stiffness and discomfort. And if you're crossing multiple time zones, start adjusting your sleep schedule a few days prior to your flight. This will help your body adapt more easily and minimize the effects of jet lag. Lastly, stay connected. Keeping your loved ones updated and having a fully charged phone with travel apps, maps, and necessary contacts can be a lifesaver. And there you have it. The secret to a successful long-haul flight lies in planning ahead, packing wisely, staying entertained, and prioritizing your well-being. Got any more long flight tips? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Until next time, happy flying!